How's everyone today? It's time for our Module 1, Lesson 1, math lesson. So let's get started. We're going to start today by practicing a little counting. Easy peasy. So we're going to count. When I put my thumb up, you're going to go to the next higher number. When I put my thumb down, you're going to go to the next lower number. And when I have a fist like this, it means to stop. So you're going to follow along with me. We're going to count from 1 to 20 and then 20 to 1. Everybody ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 19, now we're going backwards. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, super simple. So that was kind of a kindergarten review. So now we're going to count by twos. So we're going to use the same signals. Up means we're going to move to the next number higher. Down means we're going to move to the next lower number or count backwards. And a closed fist means to stop. Okay, so when we count by twos, we're going to think of every other number and say every other number. So I'm going to think 1. And then I'm going to say 2. Think 3. Say 4. Think 5. Say 6. Everybody got it? Okay, let's start at 2 and see if we can go all the way up to 20 and back again. Are we ready? All right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Great job counting by twos. And if we count by twos, then all of the numbers that we're using are even numbers, because even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2. So those were our even numbers from 2 to 20. All right, let's take a look at the whiteboard and see if we can think about some skip counting. So we will use the twos that we just did. So if I have some stick people, because I'm not much of an artist, That pen's not going to help us out too much. Let's try this one. Even worse. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stick people. Draw 5 more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stick people. Okay, how many arms do my stick people have? Same as how many arms I have, right? 2 arms. So we have 2 arms here. We have 2 arms here. We have 2 arms here. 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 So we can use our stick counting. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, so we can use our stick counting to find out how many arms we have on our 10 stick people. So let's count by twos and see if we can find out. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So how many arms did our 10 stick people have all together? They have 20 arms. 20 arms. So how many twos did we count? We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we said that we had 20 arms. We said each one had 2 arms. And we counted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So 2 times 10 is 20. Okay? We could get the same answer with addition. We could say 2 plus 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 2, and we would get 20. But that's a lot of twos to write. So I would have to write 2 plus 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 2 equals 20. But I don't want to write so much, so I can write 2 times 10 equals 20, because I have 10 groups of 2. What's important is that my groups are all equal. So if one of my stick people had to have 3 arms, then I wouldn't be able to use multiplication because I have to have equal groups. But all of my groups are groups of 2, so I can say 2 times 10 equals 20. All right, let's use 12 chapters. I'm going to erase the whiteboard here. So look at you. just in starting third grade and already multiplying. So multiplying is just a fast way of doing addition. But what do we have to have? We have to have equal groups. My cat wants to be in the video, so we'll move him out of the way. All right, so I have here 12 counters, also known as 12 Post-it notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here are my 12 counters. Okay, I want to use multiplication, so I'm going to have to divide them into equal groups. Okay, so I want to make groups of 2. So I'm going to circle these Post-it notes. Do you agree this is a group of 2? I'm going to make another group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2, and another group of 2. So do we agree that I have equal groups, that all of my groups are groups of 2? Good, so we can use multiplication. So how many groups did I use? I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2. So I have 6 groups with 2 Post-its each, and I can multiply to find my answer. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or I can skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. And I have my equal groups, so I can use multiplication. So remember, the 6 times 2 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if these are the same, then my answers need to be the same. So 6 times 2 is 12, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 12. So it's just a faster way of doing addition. So I don't have to keep writing 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Okay, making sense? All right, then let's erase. And let's see if we can make some different groups. Okay, so I'm going to keep my 12 Post-its. Mess them up a little with my eraser, but I'm trying not to. And this time, instead of groups of 2, I'm going to make groups of 3. Okay, so on your whiteboards, I would like you to make a group of 12. Just be 12 circles or 12 dots. And then I'd like you to arrange them into groups of 3. So I can put 1, 2, 3 right here. I can put 1, 2, 3 right here. I can put 1, 2, 3 right here. And 1, 2, 3 right here. Okay, so do we agree that I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3? Are my groups equal? Do I have any groups with less than 3 or more than 3? They're all equal, so I can use multiplication. Okay, so how many groups did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, all my groups need to be the same size. They need to be equal groups. So I have 4 groups of 3. And that's going to give me 3, 6, 9, 12. Which will be the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So if I count by 3, 6, 9, 12, I would get 12. So I'm just doing a faster way to add by using my multiplication. Okay, let's try it again. This time, I want you to go on your whiteboards first, and I want you to use your 12 counters, and I want you to make equal groups of 4. Equal groups of 4. Okay, so I'm going to move this here, so I have a group of 4. I'm going to move this here, so I have a group of 4. And I'm going to move this here, so I have a group of 4. So here's one group of 4, another group of 4, and another group of 4. So how many groups of 4 do I have? First, do I have equal groups? Are they all the same? They all have 4, so yes, so I can use multiplication. And I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 4. I have 3 groups with 4 things each. And once again, I'm going to end up with 12. So I can count 4, 8, 12. I could say 4 plus 4 plus 4. And I would also get 12. Okay, let's do one more. Do this one on your whiteboard. I want you to make equal groups of 6. So each group is going to have 6 different things in it. 6 counters, 6 Post-its, 6 dots, 6 circles, whatever you choose to use. Go ahead and do that on your whiteboard. Okay, so here I have one group of 6, and I have another group of 6. So we agree that we have equal groups. Here's one group of 6, another group of 6. So how many groups do I have? 2 groups with 6 each to give me my total of 12. So this would be the same as 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we made lots of different multiplication sentences by rearranging our groups. And we could use multiplication because every time we had equal groups. So that's very important that we have equal groups. Let's try it one more time, but let me take one of these away. Okay, I would like you to make 3 groups using our Post-its. Okay, so there's one group, there's a second group, there's my third group. Okay, there's one here, one here, there's 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 one here, and there's one here. I'm not going to be able to use multiplication this time. Why not? Here I have a group of 4. Here I have a group of 4. But here I have a group of 3. So I don't have equal groups. So I would have to use addition here. And I would be able to say 4 plus 4 plus 3 equals 11. But I couldn't use multiplication because I no longer have equal groups. So remember that we have to have equal groups. All right, let's take a look at the problem set for today and do the first couple together. So we are going to fill in the blanks to make true statements. We have pictures of hands. We have 1, 2, 3 hands. And so it tells us that we have 3 groups of 5. So we could count by 5s. We could say 5, 10, 15. So 3 groups of 5 is 5, 10, 15. Okay, so you're going to write 3 groups of 5 equals 15. Okay, 3 5s, so I have 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5 gives me 15. So I'm going to write 15. Or 3 times 5, so 3 groups of 5 fingers on each hand gives me 15. Okay, so on A, we're going to write 15 in each of those blanks. Let's look at B. We have some bananas. We have 3 bananas in a bunch, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches of bananas. So they have given us an addition sentence. It says 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, so let's count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So in the blank after 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we are going to write 15. We have 15 bananas. We have 5 groups of 3 bananas. So we can count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and we have 15 bananas. And we used multiplication. Our multiplication sentence was 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is, you guessed it, 15. All right, go ahead and do the rest of the problem set on your own. If you feel like you need more practice, the exit ticket is also available. That is optional. That means you do not have to do the exit ticket and turn it in. But if you feel like you need just a little bit more practice, it would be a good idea to do the exit ticket. If you easily finish the exit ticket and you know you got it right, then you have got this lesson down. So let's go ahead and get started on our problem set, and we will take a look at it tomorrow. Remember to do your application problem for lesson 2 before we meet at 10:30 tomorrow morning. So you'll have a lesson 2 application problem before we meet tomorrow during our meet at 10:30. All right, I hope you enjoyed learning about multiplication. I can't believe that you guys are already learning to multiply. Good job. All right, I will see you later.